You gave me my hands to reach out to man, to show them your love and your perfect plan. You gave me my ears so I could hear your voice so clear. I can hear the cries of sinners, but cannot wipe away their tears. Oh Lord, I'm available to you. My will I give to you. I'll do what you say do. Use me, Lord, to show someone the way and enable me to say, oh, my storage is empty and I am available to